We got potato, एक ओली बटाट्याची भाजी आणि किती
Chana.
chana. And these are chapatis, and we've got some bread there, and the tea is right outside there.
What you want, Mom?
They've also given us some tea, and Malbert asked them to make, what is this, burji, no re? Burji. We are going for? Come this side.
Rocks.
Yeah. All rocks. Hi.
She wants to
She will say hi. Say hi, Bhiku.
say hi, say hi.
Hi. Where's Elliot?
Elliot.
Asif.
Asif.
Where is Asif?
Thank
Asif,
you.
where are
Thank
you?
you.
किधर है वो? Thank you, Asif.
Bye.
Bye, Asif. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, after the last vlog that you guys saw, we had gone to a place that was in Bedshe, Jungle Beach, where we had been last time. Meaning same place but different villa. We enjoyed. You've already seen the vlog. We checked out from that place, and we've come for lunch with Harsha, Ellen, Mikaya, Shivon, Elliot can be seen. Mr. Malbert. We've come to this place because she suggested us. What is this place? Vintage.
जेवणाचं पाटलं.
Patlo is famous here.
What is there in the part?
Patla's meaning is
Patlo is food. Patlo is
Patlo is food.
no. Patlo is patlo.
Patlo is Patlo. Wow, give me high five. Patlo is Patlo.
Patlo is patlo. We serve food in patlo.
Memo basket.
पाटलो कोंकणीन पाटलो म्हणटा
Organ patlo.
होय पण तेतून जेवण सर्व करता
We serve
Food in
food
it.
in there. Actually, one dish,
Okay,
one
special.
food, one fish tank. Whichever your choice.
whichever one that you are choosing it's going to be in the patlo. Which one you choose?
So now we take fish.
Something you choose here.
That is tisra.
So Margaret has ordered for Tisre also. So guys, if you want to visit this place, please do come here. Where exactly this is, Harsha? Pernem. Okay, Google it. I might put a picture if I find. Otherwise, please Google it. It's called Vintage Restaurant in Pernem. Good place. Let's taste the food now. On the national
Water bombing.
Goa to Bombay National Highway. Okay, and after this we'll be heading home. But let's enjoy the meal for now. So I had taken fresh lime soda and they serve it in the combo. Combo matka. Do you remember that song?
Combo.
Combo.
Ay barelo. Maja main makan di lolo. Combo.
Okay, nice. And the fresh lime soda is also very nice. Tasting good. Let me taste your nice. Good. Very good. Guys, this is called pantalo. This is of chonak. This is also chonak. So we've got rice in the small pantalo again. Chonak, some chapatis, papad, curry, some sweet vegetable, pickle, some another crab curry there. About salad and Solpuri. Something in this. Haro, I guess. Yes. Dry fish. Nice. And there's another one here.
Yeah, soup.
Huh?
Soup.
It's called a soup. This thing.
This.
This is patle only, no? They got it.
But yeah, soup म्हणताय.
Given a small note also. Nice. The whole thing is described over here. I like this thing. Olden time सारखे होत असेल. This is ambotik, I think.
It will be somewhere kept here in the corner.
This was the same thing that we ate earlier. One pantle, so we both are sharing, and the other one they are sharing. Because it's quite a lot, the quantity. It's also nice too.
Pickle.
Dolo.
This more is there in this. It's so cute. And this has some dry fish in it. The motiai like pickle is different.
Yeah.
Another pickle. Mango pickle this is. And salad. And fish.
Ali,
I think this is motiai.
take this.
Motiai. If you guys know what is this, please do let me know in the comments. Harsha gave me bhaji also. And it is given by the fellow. What bhaji is this? Walichi bhaji. Girvil. Eril. Irilachi bhaji. Papod. This is motiai. If you know, you know. And this tastes very nice. But it's given like a dry fish thing, salted like. Not spicy. The vegetable is also nice. Bhaji bariya. Let's see the fish. Very nice. Something wrong with the current. On and off.
Bottom it is fresh. Bottom it is not fresh.
I didn't know this. Motta Mudan fresh. And it's the Motta Mudan. Saksha is saying it's fresh.
It is white. Dark white. The color changes.
The flesh inside. Let me enjoy this meal and I'll get back to you. We had come to this place called Vintage. It's literally opposite the highway, no? It's Goa Bombay Highway. Which board? Which board? Ah, that green one. Okay. Wait. That way. Alright. And now we'll be going home. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye. She will say bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Okay, and I will see you soon. Guys, we reached home and we just changed and we are leaving for the Mango Festival, which is happening in Inox Courtyard, okay? I don't know why I was supposed to say Mango Courtyard. It's called Mango Festival. I've heard Cashew Festival, but Mango Festival is the first time. And this is the last day, I guess. Yeah, it's the last day. So once I'm there, I'll show you bits and pieces around. We're going along with Malbut's friends. So I will take you guys along with me and show you guys how the festival looks like. This is how Panjim looks in the evening, no?
Yeah.
Crowded.
And it's weekend.
And it is a weekend, yeah. And I think it's the last day of that Mango Festival. So everybody is out. And also going to the casino, yeah.
Most of them are going to the casino.
What?
Most of them are going to the casino.
Yeah. That is where we are going, okay? I think it's exactly at the entrance of the Inox Hall.
Yeah. That is called a...
Just a tad bit. Can we have the Goa music pop through and go through? Now you'll be able to sing the song.
What charge करता है?
Come a little closer. This is number 6. Suddenly the number go rock.
Fantastic, one of my favorite things ever. Thank you so much. Good night.
Alright, Goa.
We basically are now heading out for dinner, okay? And I'm gonna show you bits and pieces over there. Let's see how it goes. We are going to Tataki, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheers! And as usual, I literally forgot to end the vlog, but here I am to end the vlog. We had a really good time, and you know, there's a saying that unplanned things sometimes are really good, which we experienced that day. What was planned was until the mango festival. After that, nothing was planned, but we really had a good time, me and Malbert. So we were out with Malbert's friends. I met few of my friends there as well, and we had a really good time. It was really a good feeling, and we were so tired. We literally were drained, but happy draining, you know, like tired but happy. We were back home, and I was like super sleepy. Then we were off to bed. So obviously I could not end the vlog. So here I am ending the vlog, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.